Hi guys, it's Gabby and welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with a little bit of a different plan with me. I've actually decided for my everyday planning to move back into my A5 Ringbound, and I'm really enjoying it. I've been doing it for the past couple of weeks. I haven't quite set it up yet, so I don't want to do a setup video, but this is the happiness planner. I've had it, I don't know, for over a year or so now, and I really like it. I kind of neglected it for a while, but I'm really getting back into it. These dividers are from Shop Minted Sugar, and I'm not sure if they're still available, but I really like them, and I've got like some top dividers here as well, but I do need to get some labels for them and everything. But I'm really enjoying these inserts as well. As you can see, they are gold foil. I bought them last year from Planning World, and that was a collaboration between Planning World and Jacinia from the Planner Sophisticate. So unfortunately I don't think they're available anymore, but I really want to use them because I love them so much. So I thought for this week I would use our new Sophie kit, just because I think with the gold inserts it'll be a really rich spread with these kind of muted jewel colours. So I won't be using, I went through all of this in my last new releases video, but I'll just go through again. I've got the first functional sheet with like your heart checklists and heaps of functional and sidebar stickers. And then the second functional sheet, you've got like your to-do and today headers, your glitter headers, lots of different icons, and your weekend banners. Then you've got these really pretty full boxes that I really like. I love how this turned out. And then your block headers, your to-do boxes and another sidebar sticker, your quarter and half boxes and little things, your washi strips and bottom washi, and I won't be using the bottom washi because I really like having these gold foil lines here, and then your deco and date covers. So I thought I'd just pull these inserts out and just get started on planning. So as you can see with these inserts, on this side it's a fold out page so that you can get your Saturday and Sunday in full days as well, and you've got your sidebar kind of here, which I don't mind at all. So what I'm going to do first is, I don't want to put any date covers down because you do have the foiled ones up here already. So I'm just going to bring in these date dots from Sophie, and I thought that the black and gold would go well with the kit as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop those down. Okay, so they're all down. Now what I think I'm going to do is work on my sidebar first. So I'm going to grab a full box just to put up the top. I think I might use this one actually, which is like the wardrobe shelf. I really like this. And then I might put a piece of washi on the top first. So let's do that. I might just grab this one here. I think that's pretty. Then what I'm going to do after that is grab a flag. I'm sorry if you can hear little squeaks, that's just our new kitten running around and being very squeaky. So I think I'll grab this flag here, and I just wanted to use it to mark the weekly days. So if I flip to it, I know exactly what week this was. So I'm going to put that down like that, and then I might just grab a piece of deco, just maybe this little floral, like these two roses in a bucket bag. I love that, just to add a little bit of deco there. Then I'm going to pop down my habit trackers, so I'm just going to get the daily habit sticker, and I'm just trying to put these labels in between the foil lines so you still get that foil coming through, because I don't want to cover up too much of it. So I'm going to pop that there, and then I'm going to get my two habit trackers. And then this week on my sidebar, I've really gotten back into filming these videos and I'm really enjoying it again. So I wanted to use my sidebar weekly sticker and track, where is it? Track my videos. So I'll just use a this week header. And again, I don't mind leaving gaps because again, you get that gold foil coming through. And then I'll pop this down. Like that, and then I'm just going to leave the bottom of this blank, which I think that works perfectly. So moving on to Monday, what I'm going to do is actually do a really kind of old school setup with this, and I find it's been working for me so well. So I'm going to pop like all the full boxes together across in a line in the middle, my to-do lists down the bottom, and then like whatever's happening kind of more importantly on the day up the top. So I'm trying to decide if I want to use the to-do boxes or the checklist, but I kind of like the look of the boxes at the moment. Just a bit more uniform, which is kind of what I'm feeling. So I think I'll go and pop all of those down, and I'll also use the to-do headers up the top. So yeah, I'll be back after doing that. There we go, and as you can see, they've made the outlines of each box slightly bigger, so you still get that foiled effect, which I think is just so pretty. And now the kitten is playing with the tripod. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is pop all of the full boxes across the middle. I hope this isn't too boring, but I'm really loving this planning style at the moment, so I wanted to show you guys what I was doing. So I think I'm going to just decide, kind of go for like the more busy box and then the more simpler one and just alternate. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to pop the glitter headers across the top of the full boxes. So let's get into that. There we go, that's that down, and I think that's looking really nice. As I said, it's just looking really like rich with the colours and the foil, so loving that. Now again, I'm just going to go across the top. I also feel like I'm kind of utilising the kit a little bit more rather than constantly pulling in from other places. And because our kits are available a la carte, like because I won't be using the washi sheet, you don't need to get the washi sheet, and I want to use some deco, but you don't necessarily need to get the date covers either, so you can pick and choose depending on your inserts. So I'm just going to go and pop the today headers across the top. There we go, that's how it's looking. And now I'm just going to go through day by day and pop down what I know is happening this week. So on Monday, the first thing is our designer Hannah is coming in. So as usual, I'm going to use these labels but with those little glitter flags from the kit. Just like that, and I'm not going to use any icons or anything, I just like how that looks. Sorry, I popped it on Tuesday as well because she's works for us both days. The other goal I have on Monday is to tidy our bedroom and wardrobe. It's kind of getting out of hand. I'm so bad at putting laundry away after I wash it, and it's just piling up, so I want to get a quarter box for that. Well, actually I might just get a little, like, it's like a, I don't know, smaller than a quarter box, and this kind of burgundy colour to pop here. And then from the kit I'm going to use this organise sticker and just put it here, I think. And then the other thing I want to do is publish this plan with me. So I'm actually going to pull in some gold foil for this. And just from Rose Colored Days, I have these YouTube icons. So I think I'll use the play button on, I might use one of these appointment labels. Let's use this one here. like that. And those are the main things, and then I just have my to-do list, and then I can use these lines down here as a like a continuation of my to-do list, but a lot of it will just be work. Okay, then on Tuesday, the only big thing that's happening is that we're going to my mum and dad's for dinner, so I might grab a half box for that. I might use this patterned one here, and I'll pop it down the bottom, and then I can fill in anything else important that is going to be happening. Oh, kitten! Sorry. He is very, very playful, probably one of the most playful kittens I've ever met, which is really nice actually. It's nice to have a little playful kitten because our other two cats are quite skittish, so yeah. And there he is again. I'm just going to use one of these bows from Arctic Paper Studio to mark that, and now he's playing with a pen. Okay, and again I'm just going to use the to-do list down the bottom. On Wednesday it's my mother-in-law's birthday, and if you watched my like November monthly you'll now realise I got the date wrong, but it's actually on Wednesday, so I have to mark that, and I might use maybe another one of these. And then the balloons from our kit, like that. Also our cleaners are coming, so I might pop that down the bottom just using a little things header. Let's bring in some more pink. And I think this dark purple will go. These are icons from Planning World. I'm just going to pop that there. Yeah, I think that'll be okay. I also have to remember to water the plants, so I'm just going to get our water plants sticker and put it here. And then I also want to publish our advent calendar unboxing video, so I might actually just put that down the bottom with one of these clappers from Rose Coloured Days, just on the to-do list. That's Wednesday. On Thursday I also want to publish a memory plan with me because I'm doing really well. So let's get another like a label sticker. And I'll use the filming icon because why not change it up a little bit, like that. And then I need to go and get my eyebrows done because it's getting I just need to, so let's grab a quarter box. I might just grab a marble one. I might just use an exclamation mark from Planning World. I'll put it on this side. Okay, and that is Monday through Thursday. It's kind of strange having Thursday on this side when you're so used to planning in an EC, but yeah, I think that looks really nice and plenty of room for me to fill out what's happening in the week because things always pop up that you haven't pre-planned. So on Friday we are going out for lunch to celebrate my dad's birthday, which isn't until like the 29th of November, but he's in town, so we thought we would do that. So I'm going to get a half box. I might get this one here, and kitten again. Come on. And from Clever Girl Crafts I'm just going to grab a bow sticker like that, and then in the evening we have new releases, so I'm going to get a quarter box. Let's bring in some blue. And from Arctic Paper Studio I have these scripts that say new release collections, so I'm going to use one of those. Like that. On Saturday, I've got to put the weekend banner down. And then we don't really have too many plans for the weekend as of yet. So Saturday, the only thing we do in the morning is go to the farmer's market. So I'll just get a small label and just the groceries icon from our kit. And then on Sunday, I just want to film a few of these videos, and there's also a Perth planner meetup. Well, a new, is it Daiso or Daiso store, which is a stationery shop, has just opened in one of the shopping centres here, so some of the girls want to get together and go. I'm not too sure if I'll be able to make it yet, but I definitely still want to mark it in my planner, so I'll just get a little things for that. And maybe I'll just use like a little car sticker from Planning World, and his kitten's gonna come up here again. And yes, filming. So I might just get maybe a small flag. Let's get this one here. Guys, now he's eating my sticker albums. I'm going to put it this way. Like that, and then I'll just get a camera sticker. Okay, and I always create such a mess after this. So that is how it is looking. I might just use, guys, now he's eating my planner. No, don't do that. I might just get some deco and sprinkle that around. Okay, there we go, and that is the finished spread. Let me just put it back into my planner, and that is it, and I think it is so pretty. I love how it turned out. And then what I do with the leftovers of the kit is I just pop it in the back of the planner. I've got this. So that I can just keep using the kit as the week goes on, and then again, you're not wasting any of it. So I've got this little pouch in the back, and I'll just pop them all in. And that is it. I hope you guys like this. Hopefully I'll be able to do a planner setup soon, so let me know if you want to see that. And until my next video, I'll talk to you then. Bye.